Hello, everybody. Buona Pasqua. Happy Easter. Easter blessings to all. Special day today. I hit 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's big. It's special. Thank you for taking the time out of busy lives. There's so many people out there doing this, and I am honored that you're watching me. And I hope you make my recipes. You're going to be wondering what's in front of me. It's pastiera napoletana, one of the most delicious. I keep saying delicious because it is. It's an amazing dessert made with wheat berries and ricotta, and it's a spring explosion with the fior d'arancio, millefiori, orange, lemon, the ricotta, the fresh wheat, the fresh kernels of wheat. Just really good. Unfortunately, we were setting up and my husband was getting everything ready, and I went and I ate it all already. I didn't wait to enjoy it with you, but I hope you'll make it. I hope you'll make it for your family, for your loved ones. Again, thank you all, and have a wonderful Easter, and enjoy the festivities. Grazie, alla prossima, arrivederci. Ciao, ciao, and I'll keep more recipes coming.